Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did these beautiful Makeba knotless braids. They are big, light, and perfect for protective styling. So let's get started. So first I started by parting the hair into clean, medium-sized sections, whereby Makeba knotless usually looks best when the parts are sharp and neat. Then I began feeding in the braiding hair using the knotless technique. Then I start with the natural hair and slowly add in small pieces of extensions to build the thickness, just as you can see. As you can see here, I braid gently to avoid tension, especially around the hairline. That helps prevent breakage and makes the style more comfortable. So after feeding in the braiding hair till it builds the thickness, you can continue braiding down according to client's length of preferences. As for me, I just braided the hair halfway so that it can be fast for me to fix it. Then later I can finish the part where I left. So here I'm just repeating the same process again, step by step, so you can really understand how I do each braid. If it's clear to you already, feel free to practice with a mannequin head while watching, either home or in college or maybe any place, even salon too. The more you practice, the better you get. Braiding takes time and patience, so don't give up. Keep going. And as well, making hair, it's all about passion, interest, love, and hobby too. As for me, I really enjoy doing this work. It's something that it's in with me, like it's a talent. It's something I really like to do and I really enjoy about it. So if you're interested, like you really want to know about hair, it's about interest and you're passionate with and you really wished for, like you desire to know about it. halfway through the head now, and you can already see how full and neat it's turning out. Makeba knotless gives that bold, clean look, as you can see. I just finished fix the braiding hair, and here is the look, but not final. So I decided to make a little bit spicy, like the down of the tail's hair. I decided to make it curly, and here is the final look. As you can see, wow, so nice and beautiful. So guys, let me know in the comments if you rock this style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And see you for the next more videos.